Hey guys, Jacob here again. Today we're going to open up the Polaris 280 and see what's inside the box. So let's see what Polaris gave us. The old 280 here, this is a pressure cleaner, obviously. This one hooks up with a booster pump. So make sure you have a working booster pump before you try to plug this one into the wall. This is a pressure side cleaner, not a suction side cleaner. So this works off pool pressure, not suction like a vacuum. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll put it on the ground because it's kind of awkward and heavy. First things first, comes with the cleaner. So this is a lot prettier than the 180. The 180 is kind of an old guy. It's kind of seasoned. I feel like the company doesn't do a whole lot of R&D into the old 180. So this one, unlike the 180, they give you the nice zippered bag, which is very, very convenient when you're actually cleaning out debris inside the pool, rather than opening Velcro and smashing Velcro back together. And that probably lasts, what, like 12 times before you have to replace the bag because the Velcro went bad. So opening the opening the zipper is the easiest way to clean this bag out. If you ever want to replace them, it's got two little tabs here. It pops open like that. So pretty straightforward. Tail sweep. This version does not come with a tail sweep pro. So this guy has a little hole and it's going to spray everywhere. That's kind of how it cleans the bottom of the pool. It kind of whips around, cleans the bottom of the pool, gets all the dirt, the dust, and leaves going. Polaris offers something called the Tail Sweep Pro that clips on the back of here. So when this guy gets to the top of the water, it's not going to spray the whole house or spray everywhere. So we recommend getting the Tail Sweep Pro as an aftermarket item on these things. So that's pool cleaner. 280. It's an oldie, but a good one. Now we've got 30 feet of hose. So you do not ever just pop this hose inside your pool and plug it in the cleaner and say, yeehaw, let's fire this thing up. Read the instruction manual. There's a certain way to install this hose because you have to cut certain sections of this hose depending on the length, width, and the size of your pool. So you'd be very far and few between if you're using this entire thing. You probably got a giant pool. But install it, refer to the instruction manual, and cut as needed. But it's got the blue restrictor on the top. That allows the most water flow. The red it's actually in the instruction manual. There's a red one that allows a little bit less water flow. So if for some reason you have too much, swap her out. It just pops in, pops out. Really, really easy. Here's your filter screen. So it's actually gonna catch all the loose debris that the booster pump pushes through back to the system. Because on this system, it goes booster pump straight to the cleaner. There's usually not a filter in between the booster pump and the cleaner. So it's going to catch all the small debris, very easily serviceable. It's got a big nut right here that you can pop open, take the filter out, clean it, put it back in. You got a working cleaner again. So other than that, the hose floats on the top of the pool, and it's got swivels attached to it, so it's not going to get wound up and bound up in a big old circle in your pool and go bad. So it's kind of cool. They do give you the entire 30 feet of hose with the brand new cleaner. And here is the 280. So I'm Jacob with ePool Supply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.